Hello there and welcome. When we hear a term like artificial intelligence, it's easy to picture something out of a science fiction movie, right? But the truth is, AI isn't some far-off future concept. It's already here, working quietly in the background of our lives every single day. So in this explainer, we're going to pull back the curtain and uncover all the ways you're already using AI, probably without even realizing it. And just so you know where all this great information is coming from, this explainer is based entirely on Chapter 3 of the tutorial, Introduction to Artificial Intelligence for Older Adults, which was created by Virtualization Options LLC.
So here's our game plan. We're going to take a little tour through a regular day and see where AI pops up. We'll start with the AI in disguise, then we'll look at the AI hiding in your pocket. After that, we'll move into the living room, head out for some errands, and see how AI helps keep us all connected. And to wrap it all up, we'll talk about how to use all this stuff with confidence. Sound good? Let's dive in.
First up, AI in disguise. This is all about the AI that's so seamlessly woven into our lives that we just don't even notice it's there, quietly working away to make things a little bit easier for us. You see, the main thing to get is that you don't need to go out and buy some AI. It's already in the technology and tools you use every day. Just being able to spot these hidden helpers, well, that's the first step to making this technology feel a lot less mysterious and a lot more manageable. So let's start with something most of us reach for first thing in the morning, our smartphones. For most of us, this is the first place we bump into AI during our day, because these little devices are absolutely jam-packed with it.
I mean, think about it. When you ask Siri or Google Assistant for the weather forecast, that's AI understanding your voice. When you're typing a text message and your phone suggests the perfect next word, yep, that's AI too. It's even working to make your photos look better without you lifting a finger, and it's what recognizes your face to unlock your phone securely. And here's a perfect example. How in the world does your phone sort through thousands of pictures to find every single photo of your granddaughter in, like, 2 seconds? That's powerful AI at work. It has actually learned to recognize her face so it can group all of her pictures together for you automatically. It's like having a personal photo assistant right in your camera roll.
Okay, from the phone in our pocket, let's step into the living room. Because AI isn't just in our gadgets, it's also making our homes smarter, cozier, and, honestly, a lot more entertaining. This slide nails the difference perfectly. Your old thermostat, you had to tell it what to do. It just followed orders. But a smart thermostat with AI, it actually learns. It picks up on your schedule, figures out when you're home or away, and adjusts the temperature all by itself. So it keeps you comfortable and saves you money on energy bills, all without you having to think about it. And it's not just about comfort. You know when you finish a series on Netflix and it immediately suggests something else you end up loving? That's AI analyzing what you like to watch. It's the same thing when Spotify makes a playlist that feels like it was made just for you. Even your TV might be using AI to make the picture sharper, and that little robot vacuum, it's learning the layout of your house to get better and better at cleaning each time. All right, let's grab our keys and head out the door. Whether you're running to the store or going on a trip, AI is right there with you, acting like a really helpful guide. Oh, we've all experienced this, right? You browse for a new coffee maker online, and suddenly you're seeing ads for coffee makers everywhere. It can feel a little spooky how accurate it is. But the goal is actually to be helpful. That AI is trying to connect the dots to show you other things you might genuinely find useful. And when you're on the road, AI is basically your co-pilot. Ever wondered how Google Maps or Waze knows about a traffic jam and finds you a faster route? That's AI analyzing data from thousands of other cars in real time. If you use a ride-sharing app, AI is what finds the closest driver. And maybe most importantly, AI in newer cars is helping to prevent accidents, making the roads safer for all of us. Now let's talk about one of the most important things we do every day, keeping in touch with friends and family. AI has a huge role here, but this is also an area where just a little bit of awareness can go a long way. You know how your email inbox just seems to know which messages are from family and which are just store promotions? That's not magic, it's AI. It's learned from looking at millions of emails to spot patterns and sort things for you. It's a fantastic organizer, but just remember it isn't perfect. It's always a good idea to be cautious of scam emails that might try to look like they're from a trusted company. AI also helps us connect in some amazing ways. It can translate a website from another language in an instant. On a video call, it's the AI that filters out background noise so you can hear your grandkids loud and clear. It can even blur your background for a little more privacy.
Now, it's really important to know that this same technology can be used for scams, what they call deepfakes. So, a good rule of thumb is if you ever get a strange urgent call asking for money, even if it sounds exactly like a loved one, just hang up and call them back on the number you know is theirs. Better to be safe.
So we've seen AI everywhere today, in our phones, our homes, and on the road. And if there's one big thing to take away from all this, it's that simply recognizing where AI is working in your life, that's the single biggest step you can take towards using it confidently and safely. And that's really what it all boils down to. AI isn't some big, mysterious force. It's a tool. And like any tool, the more you understand how it works, the more you're the one in control. You're the informed user. So the next time your phone suggests the next word in a text, you can just smile, knowing exactly what's going on behind the scenes. The real question isn't if we'll use AI, but how we can all use it wisely. So I leave you with this. What part of your day do you think AI is going to help with next?